kind of a weird 24 hours on this. I mean, not even 24 hours. Like I'm talking like a few days. We're stuck in this zone between basically 7,000 and 669.50. So like there's a 50 point zone in here. And then if we go down to the 5 minutes, we've been bouncing around in here all night. We had a new spike, tried to break through, but we got stopped up or rejected up there. Uh, I mean, it's worth a small risk. I think we got some big negative divergence here if we ever come back up. But for me, I am more like a buy off of this 80. If we get a test of 80 off at the open, I'd probably try it. We do have a little bit of a consolidation zone in here. I mean, you can see like all this junk from 76 up to 86, kind of like a 10 point mess. So, I mean, safest plays would be wait for, for me, I'd either use this as an E2 here at 86, or if we get a retest of up here at the 91, and barring that, then we're looking from 73 down to like 72 area for a buy. But that being said, 80, you got 10 points here up to the upside, 10 points to the downside. This might be worth a small risk trade at the open if we get a test of it again. Today, Thursday, there's nothing really. We had unemployment claims at 6:30, which you can see. That's why this took off here. So we'll see if we get a clean test. I might try it long to see if we retest the highs. If we don't hold here, then I'll wait. I mean, there's possibility that 74 could hold, or maybe 76. But like I said, the safest plays are going to be down here, 73, 72-ish area. So we'll see. The tough part here is that if this does hold, we're kind of consolidating right here in this like 82 to 80. So it's only a 2 point range. So I basically have to accept that I'm waiting to test up here at 86 if I buy here. But we got a minute 43, minute 40 to open. Let's see what it gives us. Oh yeah, there's no trend line or anything in this even. Like I mean, you can't draw a trend line on that. And if you look at the 60, not even on the 60 minute, wild. We're just consolidating. We're stuck in this range bound. But let's see what happens here at the open. Minute left. If I look over at the NQ is just testing its orange at the same time. This might be confusing, these two oranges. This is the one I'm more leaning on this morning. This would kind of be our true orange. I know it's confusing, but just from the action I see, I'd rather buy here than sell here. It might bite me in the butt, it might not. 23 seconds. If I was gambling, I'd buy this 81 right now before the open. But I don't buy, but I don't touch the market before the open. That's just my rule. Yeah, it's holding. Let's see if I can get filled here. Dang. That was fast. Too fast. But we do have divergence. We'll see what happens here at 86. That's quite the reaction. So if I was long, I would have taken profit at 86. I didn't really didn't want to sell 86 quite yet. So yeah, I guess now we just said like wait. I don't want to buy it again. I mean, this could definitely hold, but we've got this divergence in here. It's pretty strong reaction off 86. I think they want to test lower. NQ tested its lower green, so that's holding actually. Hmm. Okay, if we get another test of 80 and it holds. Let's see. Uh, let's see here. We got this divergence. I like this. Like, I do like a sell at 91. Though orange did hold, which usually points to higher, but um, if you do, then I gotta take some profit around here, like 86, obviously 87. So it'll be a scalp for now. But like I said, we're in this range. If we get sucked back in here, I fully expect to test 72. No real conviction today. One way or the other here. With this pushing up, though, I suspect the MACD will push up. I don't think we'll push up enough to get rid of this negative divergence. I'd have to push pretty crazy. So, um, I'm still open to selling up here, 91, 92 area. NQ is marginally weaker right now than the ES. We get a new candle, see what happens on the new candle. Take a look what's going on with the little 2-minute candle here. Still goes 1-minute candles, those are pretty wild. So a good sign for the bulls is if this 87 holds for higher. It's not a great sign for selling. See, we did get this tick up here. but we still didn't. We're still negative divergence, 0.5, you got 0.6 negative divergence, which is still pretty strong. So we'll see. Aggressive. You could take this long from 87 and give her a try, but you got to take profit at 89, 89. Not really worth it. So we didn't get this sell up at 90, but I'm still open to buying this down here. They might come sweep these, test VWAP, and then head back up. But like they said, this is kind of range bound, so safest plays down here. Can I remember? Safest plays are down here, up here. Oh, this might be a sit and watch day. Ay, ay, ay. Now the NQ's pushing up to catch up to what the ES is doing. That's pretty strong. See, I kind of like this. NQ's coming back to test its orange line. Same time as ES. What do I got? 82.50. 82.25. If I can get filled at 84, it's worth a shot. Gotta take some up here, 88.75. I probably should take some here around 86, 87. NQ is trying to hold its orange. NQ's back below. Yeah, that's 86. Prudently, should be taking profit. Let's see if I can get a push here. Okay, there's one take profit. We'll see what happens here. 91. I'll go for it. We should reach red. But like I said, that's a decent sell right there. If I wasn't long, I'd probably be short right now. I'm swinging like logically. I should have taken profit and be out, but kind of swinging for the fences here. Like I said, we're range bound between green and green. I'm just giving this a chance. I mean, we got to kind of break it fairly soon. Otherwise, I should just close out. There we go. NQ is one that's holding us back right now. Well, I can't say that the market's holding us back, but maybe ES is pulling the NQ up. ES is at the highs of the day, and yeah, NQ is hasn't been there. See, that's a proper E1. That to me is worrisome. They took out all these stops sitting above this 92 from earlier. Sucked right back into this. Yeah, NQ's pushing down. It's pulling an ES back with it. That's probably a nice sell, to be honest with you. This is probably a good sell. We'll probably test lower green after that held. Yeah. Wouldn't that be a bugger? We'll come back and just test my entry. The reason I moved to break even is because this held up here. I mean, that's why, like I said, I should have taken profit, but I'm just swinging for it for today. And that's holding. Man, sometimes it's just the way they fall. If I wasn't long here, I would have shorted that. So I like this. Let's see if we can get a push here. I just let's see. We got 870, 875. I'm gonna leave it 2 ticks. See that green, that hole in there. I'm happy I took some profit. I was basically break even trade. Yeah, NQ's pushing down pretty aggressive. See if I get a retest. I'll sell. Or test a lower green. Oh, too late. I was being picky. All right, that's it. I missed the boat. We'll come back tomorrow.